Rino's state-of-the-art facility is based just 13 kilometres from Brisbane CBD, so its geographical location means it's in an ideal position to be able to service the growing infrastructure pipeline of Brisbane and also servicing what the growing needs of the 2032 Olympics.
So one of the unique things about Rino Recycling is the types of waste that turn up here. We take C&D, we take crushed concrete, we've got the vac waste that we speak to, and we have raw dirty fill and washout. So over those we make the 4 streams of products. To be 97% recoverable after those different waste streams come in, it takes a really unique plant, a real dedication to the design and get that part of it right, that we're not double handling throughout our processes. And that's sort of what sets us apart to what other people have done. So there's a number of C&D facilities throughout Australia, but nobody's doing it under the one roof and really turning out the sort of products that we can here.
So it's able to process 475 tonnes per hour, which equates to 1.5 million tonnes of capacity. So that means we can divert 1.5 million tonnes of waste away from landfill. But not only can we divert it, we can create high value construction materials to go back into the construction industry, which is really paving the way for the circular economy.
So the role CDE played in the project here is really about that high quality aggregates. We're here to compete with the quarries. We're here to make sure that what goes out is a really high spec material. It's really important that the recycled aggregates meet those targets, and CDE were the key to us really being able to meet that.
Rino came to us really in a collaborative way. So we worked together to work out best practice designs, very particular customer around safety, data management and process control. So we could definitely work within that envelope to deliver a really strong plant.
With the CDE wash plant, clearly with washing we use a lot of water. What is great is the fact that we can recycle up to 95% of the water that goes through the wash plant. Additionally to that, with our hydro tips bring in water from vacuum waste and NDD. That together with the 95% recycling rate through the water treatment facility means that we are actually water neutral. So whilst we have 35,000 litres an hour circulating through our process, we actually don't use any water.
So one of the other critical parts of the plant is the filter press. Being in an urban environment, we don't have the land capacity to have set basins and large storage facilities for the water. And for the volume that comes in, we really need to be turning that over regularly as well through our wash facility. So the filter press that we have here really does play an important role in our whole process and our quality of what goes out.
So technology was a big part of what they wanted to achieve here. It's a highly automated plant. It's a very sophisticated plant. They've got a lot of analytics that they can look at on how the plant operates.
So the CDE wash plant typically only operates with 2 staff, and we've got a large high volume process, and to achieve that is really remarkable, to be honest.
Yeah, so CDE spends a lot of time working with clients to develop recommended parts lists, but then we also undertake preventative maintenance inspections to help understand the wear rates and failure points on plants, and then we can assist clients in ensuring that they have the right parts when they require them. This is an important project for CDE, but it's also an important project for the C&D and C&I industry to show that it can be done, that lights and dry processing can live with the wet processing plant seamlessly, and the upside that has: less people, less machines, less handling of materials, less wastage. So to do that all on one site and under one roof even is an amazing accomplishment, and it really sets the bar very high for other people wanting to tackle it or work in this space.